Today I'm going to teach you how to make all questions required in Google Forms. This is incredibly useful when you need to ensure that every respondent provides complete information before submitting their form, whether it's for a survey, registration, or feedback collection. First, open your web browser and head over to forms.google.com. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in with your credentials if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the Google account that has access to the forms you want to edit. After logging in, you'll land on your Google Forms dashboard where you can see all your existing forms. In your Google Forms dashboard, look for the section labeled Recent Forms. This area displays the forms you've worked on most recently, making it easy to find what you need. Browse through your recent forms and click on the specific form where you want to make all questions required. This will open up the form editor where you can make all the necessary changes. Now that you're in the form editor, it's time to start making adjustments to individual questions. Click on the first question in your form. This action will bring up the question settings and options, allowing you to customize various aspects of that particular question. At the bottom of the question box, you'll notice a required button. This toggle is essential for ensuring that respondents cannot skip this question when filling out your form. Go ahead and toggle this button on. When it's activated, typically indicated by a color change or check mark, that question becomes mandatory for anyone completing your form. Here's where it becomes a bit repetitive but necessary. You'll need to repeat these exact same steps for every single question in your form. Click on the second question, navigate to the required button at the bottom and toggle it on. Then move to the third question and do the same. Continue this process methodically through your entire form until you've enabled the required setting for each and every question. This might take a few minutes depending on how many questions you have, but it's the most straightforward way to ensure complete responses. As you go through each question, the changes save automatically, so you don't need to worry about manually saving your progress. Once you've toggled on the required button for all your questions, your form is set up to collect complete responses from every participant. And that's it. You've successfully made all questions required in your Google form, ensuring you'll receive comprehensive feedback from everyone who fills it out. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.